What's going on, YouTube? Hey, this is Christian Brindle, Medicare health plan expert and specialist, and today I'm going to answer your question about, does Medicare cover long-term care? Let's get right into this. So, does Medicare cover long-term care? What I mean by this is long-term stays in, say, an assisted living facility or perhaps a nursing home or something along those lines. It happens to more people than you might think, that they get to a point in their life where they just have a hard time living on their own. They have a hard time just doing basic things that you might think might not be too big of a deal for a lot of people. It might just get to the point where they might just need a little bit of help. So does Medicare cover this? Well, the short answer is long-term, no, it doesn't. Medicare does cover 100 days of what's known as skilled nursing coverage. Now, skilled nursing is typically most commonly used for overnight rehabilitation. Like, let's say, for example, and what I mean by this is inpatient, meaning you spend the night in a rehab center. That's what skilled nursing is most commonly used for. Like, let's say you have a knee replacement or a hip replacement, and you just have a little bit of a hard time recovering from it. They might send you to a skilled nursing facility, which is typically something you're designed to go to for a couple of weeks, maybe a month and a half, maybe 2 months. Medicare will cover that for up to 100 days. Days 1 through day 20 are typically covered at 100% by Medicare. However, days 21 through 100, they have a copay per day that you're in that facility. Now, that can be used for long-term care, like an assisted living or a nursing home facility. But after that 100 days is up, they will not help pay any more of that stay. So it's important that you're aware of this. There's only really 2 types of insurances that I have seen as a Medicare health plan expert that will help pay for long periods of time spent in a long-term care facility. That would be long-term care insurance, which a lot of you are probably familiar with. Long-term care insurance can cover you for anywhere typically between 2 to 5 years in a facility. There's also a less expensive option because a lot of times long-term care insurance is a little bit expensive depending on how good the coverage might be in the state that you might be living in. It might cost you $150 a month, $200 a month, $300 a month per person. There's an alternative to that that's known as short-term care insurance. Short-term care insurance will typically cover you for at most a year in a facility, but typically they cost quite a bit less. Depending on how good the plan is, might be about $50 to $100 a month in premium. But Medicare on its own, if Medicare is all you had and you didn't have anything extra than that, will not cover you long-term in a long-term care facility. Thanks everybody so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, if I answered your question quick, fast, and in a hurry, please do me a favor. Drop a like on this video so more people just like you who need to know this information can find it easier. Make sure to subscribe for future Medicare and health insurance information. And we'll see you next time with another Medicare informative video from Christian Brindle. Have a great day. Take care. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like on the video, comment your thoughts, and make sure to subscribe for future insurance and Medicare information.